Hello everybody, Rajni here. Another day for another week and another time for doing the premium video. So last week we did on using the leftovers of any game, anything you have, and creating a comprehension piece. It was basically an English activity. Yeah, you could do that in Hindi also for parents who would want to. So just I'm teaching you how to utilize whatever you have back home into meaningful stuff that helps to teach the child. Yeah, today we are going to be talking about EVS, the concept of EVS. Yeah, so the topic I've taken up is healthy and junk food. Okay, so basically you just zoom it here. Yeah, visible, clear? So I have taken these because I had readily available a game here. Yeah, this one. You could pick it up, but depending upon what is it that you want to teach the kid as a EVS concept. I had this game, so I picked it up as an example to explain that an EVS concept, how do you teach? So if it is something else, you can pull out, you will need pictures, okay, flashcards like the ones that I have put here, see here. And if you don't have, these are, because they're a part of this game, so these are cards like these, yeah. But you can just simply download it from the internet and take a print. That also can be done. It can be simple paper also. Now, so we are taking the concept of healthy and junk foods. When we simply write on the board and we simply ask the child to copy and we are talking, they don't get it. It kind of gets lost. Yeah. So what we have done here is first we got these pictures. So I'm talking about a very young kid like a grade 2. Okay. So we say energy giving foods. Grade 2 will not say carbohydrates. Don't mind the sound. I really don't have control over that. So no problem. Focus this side. So grade 2 we will not say carbohydrates, yeah, proteins, vitamins, minerals, we will not say like that. We say bodybuilding, we say energy giving, bodybuilding and protective foods. This is like a grade 2. But by the time the kid goes to grade 3, then you have to add these. Yeah, so then depending upon where your child is, you can say एनर्जी गिविंग फूड्स. देखो मामा, एनर्जी, लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. हम लोग रनिंग कर रहे हैं, हम लोग जंपिंग कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास क्या है? हमारे पास एनर्जी है. So I'll put up some more pictures so that the kid can understand. Say, I have energy because I ate roti, I ate dal, I ate rice. Okay, just zoom so everyone can see nicely, or you can come closer. Clear है ना picture में? हाँ, good. तो weight lifting, climbing, playing. weight lifting अगर ज़्यादा है तो हटा दो, do something else, है ना? वहाँ से मतलब ये ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो kid will not. So playing games, so you can say skipping, so you can say I eat energy giving foods. I eat chapati or roti. What do you want to say? I eat bread. I eat rice. I get energy. I skip rope. I climb. I kick. Now, after a point in time, you can make strips of these energy giving foods. Okay. So you will make a strip. I'm explaining on the board, but you can do it like you can do a big strip. Okay. Cut it. Cut it over here like this. Okay, energy giving foods, cut it over here like this. So this is your one strip. If you are doing carbohydrates, then you can make a strip of this also, and you can do a matching activity with the kid. Okay, so what that means is you will match one thing to the other for the kid. Okay, so you will put on the floor or on the table energy giving, protein, carbohydrate and pictures. Okay, you say, okay, read this energy giving food. So kid picks it up. So okay, what is this? It is carbohydrate or it is protein? Think. And you have done this. So you will give practice 2, 3, 4 times, and then you will help the kid, so the kid will get carbohydrate and put it there. Okay, so energy giving, carbohydrate and these. And what does it do? It helps us to do our things. It gives us energy. We play, we jump, we run, we cycle, we everything. So you teach the kid, and then on the next page you write the sentences. Okay, not simply open the book and say start reading, now start answering. If it was that easy, it won't have been autism, right? Autism means it is a show and tell, hold it in your hand, do it. That's how the kid will learn. You can't expect the kid to open the book, read, understand, answer. And that's what regular children do, right? The so-called that regular and irregular, whatever. But we have to put that effort. Once they know it like this, then they read it in the book. Yeah. So this is how I'm teaching you how to do the EVS concept. So bodybuilding foods, again, chicken, nuts, eggs. So it becomes easy for them to rote learn it like this. Okay. Similarly, protective foods, vitamins and minerals. So what are protective foods? My energy is going out of my body, so my words are slow and energy is pushing them forward. So I'm going protective. Onions. So that's basically what? Vegetables. So you could put any picture. I found onions. So I said, okay, vegetables and fruits they are. So when you do this 2, 3, 4 times, so you can make these cards and get the kid to play that game. Kid will learn. This is energy giving. Then you go to question answers. Okay, like last week we did. So you do dash are called energy giving foods. So then in the dash what you will fill, and then you will give options. Say protein, carbohydrate and fats, and like this. So then the kid has to pick up energy giving foods. So carbohydrates, like that. Okay. So like this, protective foods and fat foods. So there wasn't enough space. So fat foods. So the 4 category. Okay. So energy giving, bodybuilding, protective and fat foods. In that you will put picture of tail, ghee, butter. Okay. So those are the fat giving foods and they are important. The next thing then you will do is, once the kid knows this, then you say, what is a balanced diet? Okay, and you will say, you will rub all of this, okay, and you will say, diet that has energy giving, body building, protective foods and fats is a balanced diet. And then you show the plate thali of your kid and say, देखो हमने इसमें रोटी रखा, एनर्जी गिविंग है, हमने इसमें दही रखा, प्रोटीन है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग है, हमने इसमें दाल रखा, प्रोटीन है, हमने इसमें सब्जी रखा, we put cauliflower. What is that? That is vitamin and mineral. Now I gave you some banana, so vitamin and mineral, and finally I put some ghee on your roti, that is fats. This food is balanced food. This way you have cleared it technically to the kid. Now you go to the copy. Yeah, you will see a marked improvement in the kid's ability to get that which you are trying to tell them. I took a pause to clean the board so I can explain. So in the first half we did what is energy giving, what is bodybuilding, what is protective and fat foods. As your kid goes from grade 2 to grade 3, you will not keep on saying energy giving, then you will say proteins, you will say vitamins, you will say minerals, but you will ensure that they have rote learned. Energy giving means carbohydrate, protein means bodybuilding, like this, back and forth. Okay, so when they know, then I was trying to pull out a picture like this of balanced food. Unfortunately I couldn't, so I said let's not waste time. I have drawn here. You can take a picture from Google. So एक Indian थाली, थोड़ा सब्जी है, थोड़ा दाल है. This I tried to make dal. If it doesn't look like one, so sorry. So this is gobi ki sabji, like a flower, and this is salad, and this is roti, and this is chawal. Yeah, and of course the glass of water or chas. So that's a balanced diet. So you will put a picture of actual balanced diet, and then you get the kid to read. Diet. Diet means khana. Diet means बच्चा बोलेगा खाना. Okay. diet that has energy giving, bodybuilding. Now if you don't want to do that, then you will do diet that has carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins and fats is called balanced diet. Now this is where you merge it with the class. After doing all of these activities and showing your kids thali. If you are a parent who is only giving suki roti to the kid because kid tantrums, change that, because they will not learn. Yeah, so we lead by example. So you add dal to it, you add lauki to it, let the kid chico, doesn't matter, and you say ye balance that and ye khayenge, right? So like this. After this, doing question answers, doing fill in the blanks becomes very easy. Okay, so and then if you ask what is balanced diet, and if the kid doesn't have full sentence, he will still say carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. So it's say the whole thing, and then you can add on to it, and the kid can handle this at class. Next, what are junk foods? I didn't have so much space, so I had just zoom it. So it is there. You zoomed it. Is visible? Yeah. So what are junk foods? Foods that are tasty but have no protein, no vitamin, no mineral, no carbohydrate are called junk foods. They only have sugars. So we don't have to go into that. They only have sugars. No. So foods that do not have protein, vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate are called junk foods. Junk foods do not give us energy. So we are going to write that down. Okay. And then here, just zoom it here. We eat junk food, we fall sick. You can add too much over there. If we eat too much junk food, we will fall sick. You can do that. Okay. And then these pictures that I pulled out. So this boy cannot cycle because he's sick. No energy. He did not eat energy giving food. He got no energy. So first you will have to do your own bit of homework like this. Then open the school textbook. Then expect the kid to read, answer. I know it's a lot of hard work, but it's a lot of satisfaction also when after doing all of this paraphernalia and drama, you give the book to the kid reads it and answers. Like, इतना simple था, huh? And you're like, हाँ, मेरी जान निकल गई समझाने में, तेरे को simple था, yeah? But that's how it is, yeah? And the kid slowly begins to make the mental image, and then question answers, fill in the blanks, make sentences, true, false, and 2, 3, 4 sentence answers become very easy. Yeah, so I hope this video was valuable and you learned how to do EVS concepts like this. You can pull out pictures from the internet, let them see the actual thingy and do concepts. Like if you're doing plants, you can just pull out a weed from outside, weed as in not the drug, weed as in some unwanted plant from your garden or something, and say roots and everything and paste it there and do it in this format. Anything that is done in a touch and feel manner, the kid will get it, and I guarantee you that. If you have to do something like traffic signals, like for the older kids, then go to the traffic park. The traffic policemen, they always have a traffic park in every city. Show it to them, click pictures, come back, make videos, freeze that memory there, come back, then take pictures, also show videos and do it in this format. And then move it to paper and pen. This is the way to do EVS concept with your children. Thank you. Until we meet again. Bye-bye.